Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on solving simultaneous equations having three unknowns using the crammers rule. So let's start off with our example. We have 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 19. Then the second equation, we have 4x minus y plus 2z is equal to 4. Then finally we are having 2x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 32. So the first thing we do while solving using crammers rule is to bring it in a matrix form, that is an ordinary matrix form, where we are going to have 3, 2 and minus 1. We are displaying the coefficient of these variables here, 3, 2, minus 1, and then here we have 4, minus 1 and 2, and finally we have 2, 4 and minus 5. The next thing we input here is the variable. We have x, y and z here, and it is all equal to these values. We have 19, 4 and 32. Now the first thing we do is to find the determinant of this matrix. So we are having 3, 2 and minus 1 here. We have 4, minus 1, 2. Then we have 2, 4 and minus 5. To find the determinant, I've already done the showed how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix in my last video, so I'm gonna be fast. We have 3 here, then this is gonna have 5 minus 8 minus 2, have minus 20 minus 4, then minus 1, 16 plus 2. So after performing the calculations here, we're gonna have 21 as the determinant. So now that we have the determinant, we can say that therefore the value of d, which is the determinant, is equal to 21. So what we are going to do next is that the value of these results, 19, 4 and 32, we are going to prefix, we are going to substitute these values into them. We are going to take 19, 4, 32 and put into 3, 4 and 2. So now we are going to have that dx, the determinant of x, will now be given by 19, 4, 32. Yes, the 19, 4, 32 in the first column. Then we still have other things as they were. We have now 2, minus 1 and 4, and then we also have minus 1, 2 and minus 5, just as they were. So we also find the determinant of this. This is gonna be 19, then we have 5 minus 8. In case you don't know how we got this, you can refer back to my last video on how to treat determinants of a 3 by 3 matrix. Well, in case how I got this is that this is 19. I brought out this first one, and then I eliminated these two lines, and then took minus 1 multiplied by minus 5 gave me 5, 4 multiplied by 2 gave me 8. That is minus sign. And before you start doing this, you must be conversant with this. It is plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus minus plus. This is the sign that goes with all the coefficients. It's also used in finding the cofactor of matrices, but actually we are not looking for the cofactor, but we are just using this first line to know the signs to prefix here. So here we're having plus sign, that's why we didn't write anything. So this next one is going to be a minus sign, and it's going to be minus 2, just as we did here. So we're having minus 2 into minus 20 minus 64, then minus 1, that is for this minus 1, it's minus because this is plus, and plus minus plus times minus is minus, so we're having minus 1 into 16 plus 32. So we're going to have that dx is equal to 48. Now we are going to find dy. We're going to find dy. Dy will now be equal to 3, 4, 2. Then the value of those results, 19, 4 and 32, we now put them here in the second column. So we are having 19, 4, 30, 32, and then every other thing remains the same. Minus 1, 2, and minus 5. 2 and minus 5. So we use the same method to find the determinant here. 3 into minus 20 minus 64. Have minus 19, and this is minus 20 minus 4. Then you have minus 1, and then 128 minus 8. So when we solve this arithmetically, we are going to have that dy is equal to 84. So now this z, we are now going to take the value of 19, 4 and 32 and prefix at the last column, and every other thing still remains the same. So we are going to have 3, 4, 2. We now have here 2 minus 1, 4, and then 19, 4 and 32. So this now becomes 3 into minus 32 minus 16 minus 2. Then we're having here 128 minus 8, then plus 19, and then 16 plus 2. Now when you perform your arithmetic operation here, you're going to have that dz is equal to minus 42. So now the value for x will now be equal to dx divided by d. That is the value of the determinant of that is the value of dx, and the value of d, that is the main determinant, and the one that we have the 1942 prefixed at the first column. So it's gonna be 63 over 21, which is equal to 3. So the value of y is now going to be dy over d, and our value for dy is 84. We are having 84 over 21, which is equal to 4. Then x, z is now equal to dz over d, and the value of dz is minus 42 while d is still 21. So we are gonna have minus 2. So our value for x is 3, y is 4, and 2, and z is minus 2. So that is the solution for the equation. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can ask your questions in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you very much.